Have you ever wondered if machines could think like us? It's a question that has captivated and intrigued us for centuries. The answer lies in the realm of artificial intelligence, a field that combines science and engineering to create intelligent machines. It's not just about building a machine that can perform tasks, but one that can learn, adapt, and evolve, much like a human mind. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? So let's dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not a newfangled concept. Its roots trace back to antiquity. The ancient Greeks spun tales of mechanical men designed by the gods, like the golden robots of Hephaestus and Pygmalion's living statue. These were the earliest known concepts of artificial beings, the seedlings of what we now call artificial intelligence. Fast forward to the 17th and 18th centuries, the Age of Enlightenment. Philosophers and scientists, such as René Descartes and Thomas Hobbes, began to theorize that the human mind, in all its complexity, could be replicated. They believed that reasoning was nothing more than a complex set of calculations. The 19th century saw the birth of formal logic thanks to George Boole. His Boolean algebra laid the groundwork for the binary logic that forms the basis of modern computer science. And let's not forget Charles Babbage, the man who conceived the idea of a programmable computer, his analytical engine. But it was in the mid-20th century that the term artificial intelligence was coined. The Dartmouth Conference in 1956 is often considered the birthplace of AI as a field of study. This is where pioneers like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Alan Newell, and Herbert Simon began to formalize the concept of AI. Since then, there have been numerous milestones in the evolution of AI. The first AI programs in the 50s and 60s, Deep Blue's victory over chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov in 1997, and more recently, the rise of machine learning and neural networks. These landmarks have pushed the boundaries of what machines can do, transforming science fiction into reality. Throughout the centuries, we've seen AI evolve from myth to mathematical theory, from primitive programs to advanced machine learning algorithms. Today, AI is an integral part of our daily lives, present in everything from our smartphones to our cars to our home appliances. From myth to reality, the journey of AI has been nothing short of spectacular. The dawn of the computer age in the mid-20th century marked a significant leap for AI. This was an era where human ingenuity met the raw power of machines, and together, they set out to redefine the boundaries of possibility. The development of digital computers was a game changer. Up until then, machines were just tools, blindly following the instructions of their human masters. But digital computers, they were different. They had the ability to store instructions, to execute them, and most importantly, to learn from them. This was the birth of programmable machines. But the machines needed a language they could understand, a way for humans to communicate with them. This led to the development of programming languages. Early languages like Fortran and Lisp were instrumental in giving birth to the modern era of computing. They allowed humans to write complex instructions, which the machines could then execute. This was the key that unlocked the door to the world of artificial intelligence. The first AI programs were simple, yet revolutionary. They could play checkers, solve word problems in algebra, and even prove mathematical theorems. These programs didn't just follow instructions, they learned from their mistakes. They got better over time. This was a big deal. For the first time, machines were not just tools, they were learners. The development of these early AI programs showed that machines could do more than just crunch numbers. They could think, they could learn, and they could improve. This realization was a turning point in the history of AI. It opened up a world of possibilities, a world where machines could potentially match or even surpass human intelligence. In the grand scheme of things, these developments may seem like small steps, but they were the first steps on a journey that would ultimately lead to the AI we know today. The stage was set for AI to take a giant leap forward. Fast forward to the 21st century and AI is everywhere. It's an understatement to say that AI has become an integral part of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to bed, we're interacting with AI in some form or another. It's there when we ask our smart speakers to play our favorite song, when we use our smartphones to navigate the quickest route to work, and even when we're binge-watching our favorite shows on streaming platforms. In an era defined by digital interconnectivity, AI has become the silent workhorse, powering a wide range of applications and services. It's revolutionizing industries, transforming how we live, work, and play. Let's take healthcare, for instance. AI is not only helping doctors to diagnose diseases more accurately, but it's also enabling the development of personalized treatment plans based on a patient's unique genetic makeup. It's changing the face of medicine as we know it. In the realm of finance, AI algorithms are being deployed to analyze market trends, predict stock movements, and even make trades. This is leading to more informed decision-making and has the potential to democratize access to financial services. And let's not forget about the role of AI in the tech industry. From search engines that deliver the most relevant results, to social media platforms that curate content based on our preferences, AI is at the heart of it all. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also making waves in the fields of education, transportation, agriculture, and more. It's helping teachers to personalize learning, enabling autonomous vehicles to navigate complex road networks, and assisting farmers in optimizing crop yields. And yet, despite the widespread adoption and influence of AI, we're only just scratching the surface. There's so much more that AI has to offer. So many more problems it can solve, and so many more ways it can enhance our lives. And yet, this is just the tip of the iceberg. So what does the future hold for AI? As we gaze into the crystal ball of technology, it becomes evident that the future of artificial intelligence promises to be as exciting as it is unpredictable. It's a tale of endless possibilities, immense potential, and equally daunting challenges. Imagine a world where AI is embedded in every facet of our lives. From healthcare, where AI can offer personalized treatments and early diagnosis, to education, where it can provide individualized learning paths tailored to each student's needs. In the realm of business, AI could revolutionize decision-making processes, enhancing efficiency and productivity, but it's not all rosy. As AI continues to advance, it brings with it a Pandora's box of challenges. One of the most significant concerns is job displacement. While AI can automate routine tasks, it also risks making certain jobs obsolete. To counter this, there's a need for reskilling and upskilling on a massive scale to ensure that humans can work in harmony with AI. Then, there's the question of ethics. As AI becomes more autonomous, who is responsible when things go wrong? How do we ensure that AI systems make fair and unbiased decisions? The answers to these questions are not straightforward, and they underscore the urgent need for regulations and oversight in the development and deployment of AI. The road to the future of AI is also paved with technological hurdles. To achieve the full potential of AI, we need breakthroughs in areas like machine learning algorithms, data privacy, and quantum computing. It's a steep climb, but one that the scientific community is ready to undertake. So, as we stand on the brink of a new era, we find ourselves in a thrilling yet challenging landscape. It's a world where AI has the potential to transform our lives, but also one where we need to tread carefully to ensure that the benefits outweigh the risks. The future of AI is a thrilling mystery waiting to be unraveled. To sum it all up, AI has come a long way from its humble beginnings. It started as a simple concept, a seed of thought in the minds of visionaries. This thought took root, and over time it grew into an intricate web of ideas, theories, and applications. We trace these roots, uncovering the fascinating history of artificial intelligence, from its inception to its evolution. We witnessed the rise of the machines, a period that saw the birth of the first AI systems, capable of performing tasks previously thought to be exclusive to human intelligence. These were the stepping stones towards the modern era of AI, where the technology has permeated every facet of our lives. From our smartphones to our cars, from our workplaces to our homes, AI is omnipresent, working tirelessly behind the scenes to make our lives easier and more efficient. But we didn't stop there. We gazed into the future, a future where AI holds immense potential. We explored the possibilities, the opportunities, and the challenges that lie ahead as we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do. Through it all, one thing has become abundantly clear. AI is more than just a buzzword or a trend. It's a transformative force shaping the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. As we continue to innovate and push boundaries, one thing is certain: AI is here to stay.